Backhoe vs. Excavator Part 2.1. Machine Adaptability. Have you ever had trouble telling the difference between a backhoe and an excavator? There are three primary differences: size, adaptability, and rotation. Because of these differences, each machine is suitable for specific tasks, so selecting the right one for your project is critical. Let's talk about the second primary difference: the machine adaptability. Backhoes, often used for light material transportation, construction, small demolitions, excavation, excavating trenches and holes, breaking asphalt, paving roads, and landscaping, among other things. Excavators, used for drilling, tearing, crushing, ripping, and cutting, among other things, with the right attachments. For further information about backhoe and excavator, you can call us today at 469-370-7501 or visit our website at interstateheavyequipment.com.